The saliva drug test can detect marijuana use for up to 12 hours. But if you're a heavy user, the detection time can be up to 2 days. Other drugs can be detected for up to 1 week. So if the last time you smoked was 2 days ago, don't worry. You'll pass the test anyway. If you think you will fail, we'll tell you how to pass the mouth swab drug test easily. When you smoke marijuana, some amount of THC is absorbed directly into your mouth's soft tissues. Then it's washed out by saliva. The medical professional will place a swab either under your tongue or between your cheek and lower gum for about 3 minutes to collect enough saliva for testing. Then he will test the concentration of THC in the specimen. If the concentration is above the cutoff level, you'll fail the drug test. So you need to wash out enough THC from your mouth to make its concentration in the saliva below the detectable level. To achieve that, you need to do the following. Abstain from weed. Brush your teeth twice daily. This will help remove all traces of THC from your teeth. Rinse your mouth with water several times a day. That's all. You can use Listerine or hydrogen peroxide instead of water. There's a study that tested the effect of water, whole milk, and other mouthwashes on the THC oral fluid concentrations. The results showed that there's no difference in using water or any mouthwashes for rinsing the mouth to pass a drug test. So you can use water and save money. You should know that saliva drug tests can be given without warning or with very little warning. If you need a more convenient way to pass a mouth swab drug test, you should use Ultra Wash mouthwash. You need a product that is quick to access, quick to use, and cannot be detected. It works in minutes. Effective for up to 1 hour. Cannot be detected. Tastes good and is all natural. Ultra Wash mouthwash is a small bottle that can be kept in your pocket or purse. To get this mouthwash, follow the link below the video. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment and let us know. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about passing a drug test, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.